Good evening, good evening. Welcome to the Moto Grunt YouTube channel. Beautiful day. Let's go for a ride. Take you to my special spot. Today. Perfect day for a ride. Hope you are doing well. I just got back from riding to Daytona Beach. It was a quick trip. Went down for sick week and had a blast. Rode through Daytona, downtown, kind of eerie on the off season when there's no bikers there. It's like they were doing a lot of work in preparation for bike week coming up in I guess 3 weeks now, 4 weeks. Can't wait to go down there for that. I think I'm gonna go down maybe March 4th, stay for 4 days for the end of the week, but not sure. I need to figure out when all the events are going on. The big one is the Indian Motorcycle Riders Group. Did that last year, that was a lot of fun. So hopefully I can get into that. My brother Jerry lives down in Daytona, I guess more on their Orlando side. So I usually stay with him. That's where I stayed last weekend. A lot of fun. What is this? Is that a Scout? Wow. Hope you can hear me. I just did a video and talked for 15 minutes and realized the mic wasn't turned on. So that's me. All you can hear is wind noise. So hopefully this is working for you. You guys enjoy this little ride. I know a lot of you who follow and watch me live in the northern states and it's a little cold. Some of you probably park your bike up for the winter time. You enjoy this video. Don't get too jealous of the 77-degree weather out here in North Carolina. Some nice cars down there. Beautiful farmland. I love it out here. Only 7 hours from the tail of the dragon. 30 minutes south of Raleigh, 3 hours to Charlotte, about 2.5 hours to Wilmington, which is one of my favorite places to visit. Yeah, Daytona was fun. I went to the Daytona swap meet, had a couple patches made for my new vest. Oh, look at this area right here. Gorgeous. good. What is this, a Honda Goldwing? Hello, sir. I looked at Honda Goldwings before I looked at Indians. Not my thing. I think this Indian Pursuit is the perfect sweet spot. Like I said, I rode down the Daytona last week. It was a 10.5-hour ride and it was just smooth. My butt was a little sore, but not as much as it was on my Indian Challenger. Really need to get me a extended reach seat. If you didn't know, I'm 6'1", 225. I have the touring standard reach seat on here now. It looks a lot better than the normal Challenger seat, but I need to be pushed back a little bit. I know the extended reach puts you back an inch, I think, which would be perfect. I think it even push you up a little higher too. So me being 6'1", I'd really enjoy that. If you know anybody who has extended reach seat they like to trade for my standard touring seat, I would be down. Jeez, a little wheelie, huh? I think they're like $470-ish. I should have had them put it on here when I bought this bike, but I was just so excited. I bought this bike a day after Daytona last year. Day after Daytona. Did you see the new Indian lineup for 2025? The new Roadmaster is pretty sweet. It's basically a Challenger with a Chieftain front end almost. Street Glide front end a little bit. And they're getting away with the 108. Now they have 112. So hopefully it sounds better at idle. Because my bike sounds like a sewing machine at idle. So you rip on it and that tap performance lights up. My Challenger, I had the same bars on there, I had the same exhaust, which is the KST Customs 14-inch Comanches. I had them in black, and then I had these Zombies. On my Challenger I did have the cat delete, mid pipe delete. Man, that shit was loud. A little too loud for me on road trips because I travel a lot. I think last year on my Challenger I put 40,000 miles on that thing, so I travel a lot. I'm already half deaf from 1,000 days in Iraq, lots of explosions and shooting guns into earplugs like an idiot. Been riding that Challenger for a couple years with no earplugs, just I lost a little bit of my hearing, but still hear it. It's so loud I can't listen to my Cardo. I have a Simpson Speed Bandit helmet. It's really nice for summer because it gets a lot of air through it, but it's not the quietest. If you own one, you know. They look cool as hell, but they are loud. I think I might upgrade. Not even an upgrade, but get a helmet that's a little more quiet for road trips, and then also bring this to cruise. Daytona last week, I wore my helmet because it's about 40 minutes from my brother's house. I was able to take my helmet off and put it in the tour pack, which was very nice. Because last year, Daytona, I'd done my Challenger, didn't have a tour pack. So I just didn't bring it. Not realizing I had to go on the highway for 40 minutes with no helmet. My family didn't appreciate that. What a beautiful day. Look at this road. 5 minutes from my house. I am blessed. It's a scary road though when it gets icy. These Metzler tires that come stock on Indians are garbage. Garbaggio. What we got here? Heritage. Oh, here's my neighbor, I think. Need to spot that. Yeah, these Metzlers, like I have 7,800 miles on them. I've only had the bike for a few months. They're already starting to cup in the back. I check my tires as often as possible. And they're still cupping, I just don't get it. On my Challenger, I ran the Dunlop Elites. I was getting 25,000 miles on those with no cupping. So I will definitely be going to those once these run out. Garbage tires. Incredible. 7,000 miles. I think they were starting to cup at 5,000 miles. A little donkey. Let me start naming him. What do you think his name is? Little white donkey. Not Fred. I seem to name everything Fred. Frederick the Third. Enjoy this video. Hope you can hear me this time. It's my second video with a mic. I'm not used to it yet, but I will perfect it. Can't wait to bring all my gear down to Daytona this year and to take some video down there. Show you guys what it's like. I know a lot of you can't make it. I've been to Daytona Bike Week, I don't know, 4 times? Definitely the biggest bike week I go to. I'm only a couple hours from Myrtle Beach Bike Week, which isn't the best because the city really doesn't support Bike Week at all. I used to like Thunder Beach and Panama City, but this last time it was a little sketchy. A lot of people trailering their bikes down. They would just bar hop all night, and I think 7 people died this year. It was just one dude died right in front of me. Him and his wife were just hauling ass and didn't see the median in front of us and jumped it. So hopefully people this year are a little more safe. Definitely made it a little less enjoyable last year. Usually the city of Panama City supports Bike Week, Thunder Beach. It's kind of where I lived for a while. I went to school down there. My dad lives down there still. So I will probably go again this year, but probably not stay there. I'll probably just stay at his house and cruise the hour into town, hang out. And get out when the bar hopping starts. sketchiness. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a comment on what you want to see next. Let me know down below if you're going to Daytona and what time. I still don't know. If you see me down there, say hi. Alright, have a blessed week. Thanks for watching. Peace.